Hello, 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 hello. How are you, children? So, first of all, I beg sorry for being late and you have been waiting. But never mind, it is very important to have the session today as your exam is tomorrow. So, how many of you are having the exam tomorrow? Yes, come on. Can I get your yes, please? So first of all the best to you all. Yes, hi. Hi, education ideas. Who's that? Purva, Ratnesh. Very good. So without wasting time, we start. We are taking up the important topic of light. So very important chapter. Optics, light. We'll be doing the questions on concave, convex mirrors. Yes. So first of all, light, shadow, and reflection. So welcome you all. 1 second. Yes. Just so quiz starts now, and along with the quiz, we are doing the important questions with the explanations. So an object is placed at the center of curvature C of a concave mirror. The image will be formed at. So a revision of yes, an object is placed at the center of curvature of a concave mirror. Where will the image be formed as? Yes. Okay. So never mind technology trivializers. You can watch it later. So may I get your answers? Come on. Answer. Waiting for your answers. Yes, Varma, Purva, Ratnesh. Yes, Pavni. Come on. Avni. Yes. What's your answer? Waiting for your answers. So very much right. The answer will be at the center of curvature. See, this is the diagram. When it is a concave mirror, the object is placed at center of curvature. Center of curvature is what? The center of the sphere of which mirror is a part. So, and concave mirror is when the reflection is taking from the inner side, from the cave side. So, when the rays travel parallel to the principal axis, they pass through focus. The one which hits the pole, yes. So, that meets the other rays at the same place at the center of curvature. So if the object is at center of curvature, the image will be formed at center of curvature. It is of same size. Same size. It is real because it is not behind the mirror, it is in front of the mirror. It is downward, so it is inverted. So these are the characteristics of the image formed. Hello. Darshil Jain, yes, this is the characteristic of the image formed by the concave mirror when the object is at center of curvature. Children, all these are previous year questions or the questions from the achiever sections, hence they are important. Yesterday, I took the session of acid basis salt. That was also very important. A point object is placed in front of a plane mirror. If the object and the mirror start moving away from each other, means object is also moving and mirror is also moving from each other, dur ja rahe, with speed v along a straight line, then the speed of the image with respect to mirror is at what speed the image will move. You know that if it's a plane mirror, if it is a plane mirror, if you place a plane mirror, right, this way or that way, so the image is formed at the same distance where the object is. The as at distance the object is placed behind the mirror, at the same distance the image will be formed. So distance will be x plus x, 2x between the object and the image. So if both are moving away from each other, what will be the speed of the image with respect to mirror? So DD Gaming, what is your name so that I can call you by name? Yes. Come on. Yes. Sharper also says 2V, and yes, you are correct. Your answer is 2V. Very good. If the object and mirror move relative to each other with the speed V, the image moves with speed 2V with respect to the mirror. Yes. Because it's relative, both are moving. So it becomes twice of the velocity. What is the angle of reflection, the figure shown here? Come on. This is the incident ray which makes 35 degree with the mirror. So what is angle of reflection? First find out the angle of incident and then find out the angle of reflection. Come on. Angle of reflection. You know that when the incident ray, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So find out the angle of incidence. Darshil, 35 degree is the angle formed with the mirror. This is not the angle of incidence. Anybody who can tell the angle of incidence? Anyone who can tell the angle of incidence? Yes. Besides Darshan, anyone who is trying the answer? Darshil, now you are right. But also not right. Subtraction wrong kar diya. It will be 55. This angle will be 90 minus 35. You were trying to do the same, but subtraction mistake ho gaya. It is 55 degrees. Yes, it is coming 55 degrees. 90 minus 30, 60 minus 5, 55 degrees. So angle of incidence is 55. Angle of reflection will also be 55 degrees. Right? And this angle is 35 degrees. Yes. So next, after tomorrow's NSO children, we will start with the IMO sessions. And then again, when the next date is coming, we will have some more sessions on this. So this is 90 minus 35. Now comes match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. You will get similar kind of questions in the exam, children. A plane mirror, convex lens, concave mirror, concave lens. Used as a magnifying glass, can form image of objects spread over a large area, used by dentists to see enlarged images of teeth. The image is always inverted and magnified. The image is erect and the same size as the object. The image is erect and is smaller than size is smaller than the object. Yes. Come on. So you make the pairs A, B, C, D, E in your notebook will match with which part? Come on. सबसे पहले characteristics of plane mirror you find out. Just now we discussed it. Image formed in the plane mirror is at the same distance from the mirror as the object, and also, okay, very good. Are you studying in NSCGS batch? Didi? Yes, are you studying in NSCGS batch? Come on, quickly. Make the pairs. Yes. Good, good. So you can now convex mirror, concave mirror. Which mirror is used by dentists to see enlarged images of teeth? Magnifying glass. One of the lens. Magnifying glass. Yes. Okay, Darshan, you are in NSCGS. Come on, then give me the answers quick. Give me the answers quick. I know all of you are wonderful kids. Come on. Yes. Yes, yes, Kshitij Mishra. Have you done? Now you can find out if you have done it. Now match from here. Now match from here. Yes. Match from here. So Kshitij says, Kshitij has answered for the, yes, that D matches with, even if you don't know all the options in the exam, you can find out one or more, two options. See, plane mirror you can easily take up. First, see where it is matching with A part. So it's matching in these two. Now from these two, you have to select. Now from these two, you have to select. Okay. Then you can easily make out that the concave mirror is used by. So now your option is almost done. Yes. So your option is C. Sorry. So it is C. I hope it is written here. Yes. A plane mirror, the image is direct and same size of the object. Come on, take a screenshot of this, children. Learn it. These are the important characteristics. Plane mirror, image is erect and of the same size. Convex mirror can form image of object spread over a large area. The image is erect and smaller in size than the object. Yes, can form the image of spread over a large, dur ki bhi images it can form, and the image is erect and smaller in size than the object. Therefore, where it is used, vehicles में where it is used, आपको इरेक्ट इमेज दिखती है और स्मॉलर साइज की दिखती है. जब कार ड्राइव करते हो तो आपको पीछे का दूर तक का दिखता है. So there it is used. Convex lens, magnifying glass, concave mirror used by dentists to see enlarged because you bring the object very close. So image is enlarged in concave mirror. Yes, when it is within the focus. Next is a concave lens. A concave lens, the image is erect, smaller in size than the object. Yes, come on. So concave lens में the image is erect and smaller in size than the object. Yes, back mirror. Yes, Aryan, so happy to see you. Very good. So please note down this. Now, which of the following statements are correct regarding the image formed by a concave lens? How many of you are having the exam tomorrow? Aryan, are you having the exam tomorrow? Which of the following statements are correct regarding the image formed by a concave lens? Concave lens. Yes, this one. There is only one case and one kind of image is formed. The nature of the image does not change with the change in the object distance. Always is virtual image is formed. Image is larger in size. Image is never formed between the optical center and the focus. So following statements are correct. Let me see the next which options they have asked for. So first you note down the options. Yes. So Darshil is having tomorrow. All the best, Darshil. Revise all the sessions. Go through VOS NSO sprints of 2021 and you have previous year questions question wise of year 2020 in 2020. So if you'll go to Reenu VOS, you will find the playlist. Please go and see there. Okay. Very good, Aryan. When is your, when, yeah. So I hope all of you have chosen the answers. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the image? Note down and now tell me which are correct. Yes. Ulman Khan says second. Yes, it is second. Congratulations, Ulman and Kshitij. They both answered correct. The first and second are correct. The nature of the image does not change with the change in the object distance and always it is a virtual image is formed, erect and virtual. Right. So first and second are correct. When the object is placed at infinity, image is formed at a virtual, erect and highly diminished. It is not large. It is small, highly diminished. So moving on to the next, there's one more. A concave lens, second part, all diverges all rays falling on it. That is why it is also called as the diverging lens, right? It is also called as the diverging lens. Yes, if this is the object, this is the incident ray. Yes, it is refracted. Second is passing through the optical center. They meet between optical center and the focus. The image is virtual, erect, and diminished. So image is smaller in size, real and erect. So what? Yes, image is smaller in size. Image formed by concave lens lies between the focus and the optical center here. Right. So on the same side of the object, virtual, erect, diminished. A parallel beam of light is incident on a converging lens parallel to its principal axis. As one moves the source of light away from the lens on its principal axis, the intensity of the light. Come on. Yes, the intensity of the light. What will happen to the intensity of the light? Come on. What will happen to the intensity of the light? Yes, intensity of the light. Come on. Sorry, again I lost the connection with you all on the 1 second. Yes, what is your answer coming? Parallel beam of light is incident on converging lens. Converging lens is convex lens. Parallel to its principal axis. As one moves the source of light away from the lens on its principal axis, the intensity of the light, what happens? Yes, it remains constant. In the given situation, the intensity of the light remains constant because the intensity of parallel beam of light does not change with the change in distance. So note this, note. Intensity of parallel, when it's a parallel beam of light, its intensity will not change with the change in the distance. Right, Chitij? Note it down. Yes, it will remain constant. Next, because the rays of light are parallel. Next situation, the mirrors and an object O are placed in the grid as shown. This question has been asked 2-3 times. At which positions can the virtual image of the object O be formed? Yes. Where is the object O? This is O, P, Q, R, and S. The mirror and an object O, this is the mirror, and the object O are placed in the grid as shown. Right. So the rays will fall and where the image will be formed. At which positions then the virtual image of the object O be formed? Yes, because the image formed by the plane mirror is virtual and erect. So this image formed of O on, yes, on this mirror X will work as the object for the other. So what will be your answer? Where will you see the images? Come on. Waiting for your answer. How many of you? Yes. Come on, tell me that you are answering. RB and Hit says C. Darshil says C. Are you answering for this question only? Yes. This is the question number 5th, I guess. Okay, from now onwards, I will start numbering. Let's say this is 5. So answer me that 5th is C. Then this onwards, you will answer me 6th. Answer is this. 7th is this. Answer is Q and R only. See how. This is the object O if you extend this mirror, right? So it will form the image at same distance from the mirror as the object is. This is the mirror, object is here, so image will be formed here. Now this will act as the object for mirror Y when extended. So it is at distance. See, full R is formed at over here. So from here the image will be formed at Q. Right. So from here the object is this. So image will be formed at this. So these are the two images which will be formed. पहले O से R per image bana, then this is acting as the object for Y. It will form the image at Q. So here the image will be formed at Q and R. Is that clear to you? So it went wrong for everyone. So please practice such type of questions. It is very, tell others to watch the session because yes, Kshitij, I have taken all important questions of the workbook and of the previous year because always the pattern of the questions remains the same as given in the NSO workbook, achiever section, and in the question paper. And these are the questions which can be formed, which are complex. In exams, you get school exams, you get the straight questions, draw the diagram, where the image will be formed. Here, the questions of light and electricity are a bit tricky. That is why I picked up these two topics specially. First draw. Darshil, you watch the replay. एक बार आगे चलते. This is yeah. It is written over here. First draw the extensions of the mirror X and mirror Y. Object O is facing mirror X and therefore based on the extension of mirror X, image 1 is formed at R. C. Object O. I extended this. So object, yes, this is the object O. Right, its image will be, this is the mirror, right? Mirror के इधर object है. This is the mirror. Mirror के right hand side पर object है, तो image will be formed on the left hand side at R. Is that clear? Now for Y, Object is on the left hand side, image will be formed on the right hand side at the same distance. Is that clear? इस वाला या ये ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस था तो ये इमेज का डिस्टेंस हुआ. अब इस वाले से इस वाले मिरर से ये ऑब्जेक्ट है और इसी के लाइन में दूसरा इमेज बनेगा. राइट? यस. हेलो अभिज्ञान. So image 1 is facing mirror Y, and therefore based on the extension of mirror Y, image 2 is formed at Q. The image 2 will further form image 3 based on the mirror X and will continue forever on the on. Only Q and R can be the image positions of object O. Now, two plane mirrors, this is question number 6. I don't know what that means, pehle humne 5 ki 6, but let's say this is quiz 6. Two plane mirrors AB and CD are at right angle to one another. Right? A ray of light, ये question भी बहुत बार पूछा गया. It has been in a achiever section, it has been in workbook, it has been in previous years. So these are the most common type of questions which you get from this chapter, and you please tell me tomorrow. मेरे को जरूर आंसर करना कमेंट बॉक्स में कि yes, you got the benefit from this session. You got the similar types of questions, right? Hello Jamil. Two plane mirrors, whenever my 7P kids come, so yes, I feel very happy. Two plane mirrors AB and CD are placed at right angles. A ray of light PQ hits AB at Q, making an angle of 4 as shown, 45 degree as shown in the figure. The ray, now, if it is here, right? So if I draw normal, it will be like this, right? Normal is like this. So what is the angle formed by the normal of the incident ray? This ray will be reflected from mirror CD, at an angle. Come on. This ray, it is incident on this. It will be reflected from CD at what angle? Yes. Come on. All of you say 45 degree. Yeah. Yes, Jamil, you were the first one. It is 45 degree. Why? See the diagram. This is normal. Normal means 90 degree with the mirror. 45 इधर चला गया. Whatever angle is given. अगर ये 30 होता तो angle of incidence would have been 60 degree. This is 45. This will also be 45. Now it is reflected back. So it is angle of incidence. So angle of reflection will also be 45 degrees. So this will be left 45 degrees. When it is reflected here, again, this is the normal. It is making 45 degree with the mirror. So this angle will be 45. This angle will be 45. It will be incident on the other angle at 45 degrees. And from there, it will be reflected back at 45 degrees. Right? So please keep this diagram in mind. Practice this question again. Draw the figure with your own hands so that you understand. I'm explaining again. Whenever the ray is incident, first draw the normal. Normal is 90 degree with the mirror. 45 degrees gone, so angle of incidence is 45. Angle of reflection will also be 45. Now what angle is left over here when it is going? 90 minus 45 angle of reflection, it is 45. So this ray is incident on this mirror at 45. Again draw a normal. What is angle left over here? 45. So angle of reflection will also be 45. Very good, all of you. Very good. Now match column 1 with column 2. Take your time. Column 1 and column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. These columns are of convex lens. Come on. Convex lens के columns हैं. These are the images of the convex lens. Class 8 children should be able to do it because lenses are in grade 8 and mirrors are in 7. Object, yeah. Object move, object beyond 2F. Position 1 of the object is, yeah. Position of the object is beyond 2F. You have to tell which is correct. So, position of the image at 2F. अगर 2F पर ऑब्जेक्ट है तो क्या इमेज 2F पर बनेगी? Will it be real inverted or large convex lens? Object 2F, same side as the object, virtual erect magnified. Object between F and 2F, image form will be beyond 2F, real inverted, same size. Object within focal length, object within the focal length, मतलब F और optical center के बीच में है. तो image is also image is formed between F and 2F, it will be real, inverted, and diminished. Come on. Yes. What do you say? Which answer do you say? I'm not got any of the answers. You have to tell me from column 2 and column 3. Select correct option. A, B, C, or D. Shall I wait for your answer or shall I explain? Come on. Jamil, I'm waiting for your answer. Yes. F is focus. Lenses have, yeah, lens is made up of, yes, when the two parts of the mirror are joined. So it will have F on this side also and this side also. And here instead of center curvature, we call it as 2F and 2F. Yes. Spurge. Okay. Let's check. Come on. You have to tell which one of the following. You have to tell the correct option. You have to match them. Like when the object is in this position, so what all parts are matching? Come on. You have to match it. I think so. You're finding it difficult. You have to revise. It's option B. See how. It's option B. 1 minute. 1 minute taking this. Yes. When object is beyond 2F, image is formed between F and 2F. I'll show you the diagram. It's real, inverted, and diminished. When the object is beyond 2F, means beyond, between F and beyond 2F, 2F se dur hai. So image is formed between F and 2F. And it is formed on the other side. So it is, on the right hand side, it is real, inverted, and diminished. You can learn these cases. Yes, Jamil. When object is 2F, it's just like center of curvature, image will be formed at 2F. It is just a bit, it is moved from here, it is 2F. And what will be the characteristic? Real inverted, same size, जैसे center of curvature पर बनती है. Right. Now, next case is object between F and 2F. All cases are here. Please do the cases, those who are in grade 8. If between F and 2F, see here. Between F and 2F, beyond 2F, जितना ऑब्जेक्ट आप पास जाते जा रहे हो, इमेज दूर होती जा रही है. और जब वो दूर होती जा रही है तो बड़ी होती जा रही है, मैग्निफाइड होती जा रही है. So it is real, inverted, and large. Object within the focal length और पास ले आए, within the focal length. Reverse हो जाएगा, image is formed behind the object. It is enlarged, virtual, erect. Remember this case. Yes, remember this case. Okay, so these you have to revise, those who are in grade 8. So thing is, same question नहीं means आपको images formed by the mirror and images formed by the lens पूरा अच्छी तरह से table should be thorough. You should revise them. All diagrams should be clear. Okay. Next question is question number 8. Raj is standing in front of a plane mirror. Raj is standing in front of the plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. Yes. And Raj is standing. The distance between Raj and his image in the plane mirror is 20 meters. The distance between the Raj and plane mirror is 20 meters. Right. तो आपको ये क्लियर हो गया कि राज मिरर से कितने मीटर्स पर है. राज मिरर, yes, काशिफ, you are right. There is only one case. ये क्लियर हो गया, राज मिरर से कितने मीटर्स पर है. How much distance should he move in order to get the distance of 10 meters between himself and his image? Yes, your option is he wants the distance between the mirror and the between him and the image is 10 meters. That means object should be at 5 meters from the mirror. पहले कहां पर था? 10 meters from the mirror. So कहां जाना पड़ेगा? 5 meters towards the mirror. 5 meters towards the mirror. For a plane mirror, see, if this is a mirror, Raj was at 10 meters, right? He was at 10 meters. So image was formed 10 meters behind. So total distance was 20 meters. Now the image distance between the two should be 10 meters. That means object should be 5 meters from the mirror. That means Raj should be standing 5 meters. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. अगर होता ऑब्जेक्ट 8 मीटर्स होना चाहिए तो 4 and 4 8, so 10 minus 4 6, so Raj will have to move 6 meters towards the mirror. Yes, Spurge, yeah, why didn't you take a session of the chemistry now? I mean, why the teacher changed? I could not get Spurge. What are you asking? Isha contains a blurred image of an object on a screen. It was a physics session only scheduled. Chemistry I took yesterday. Yes, Isha obtains a blurred image of an object on the screen by using a concave mirror. Blurred image on the screen. In order to obtain sharp image, she will have to shift the mirror. Obtain a blurred image of an object on the screen by using a concave mirror. In order to obtain a sharp image on the screen, she will have to shift the mirror towards the screen, away from the screen, either towards or away from the screen, depending on the position of the object, to a position very far away from the screen. Yes. All of you are confused? It is C. Aryan, you are right. Aryan, you are right after your first trial. Either towards or away from the screen, depending on the position of the object. It depends upon the object. Yes, you get a sharp image. Dentists are using it when it is within the focus, पास में हो, तो वो किस पे डिपेंड करेगा कि ऑब्जेक्ट और मिरर में कितना डिस्टेंस है, right? Next question. Which of the following, this is ninth now, is or are true regarding the effects of using a thin converging lens instead of a thick converging lens? Convex lens हम thin use कर रहे हैं, thick use कर रहे हैं. So thin, like this is very thin, right? So what will depend? Yeah. So which of the following statements are true regarding the effects of using a thin converging lens instead of thick? आपने thin use किया है, तो क्या होगा? Image form will be brighter. Focal length will be longer. The image form will always be virtual. Always be virtual किस केस में बनती है? Image form will be brighter. Focal length will be longer. So which is correct? Jamil has answered. No, Menti doesn't happen now, children, because we are not able to write with our hands on the Menti. You all are very much right, first and second. Virtual का case, convex lens में एक ही case, otherwise the image one will always be virtual, वो concave में है. So first and second, when the lens is thin, the thin converging lens has higher focal length as compared to thick. So it always produces a brighter image. Note it down. Note it down. So I clap for all those who did it right. The concepts are very much clear. Session is not ended, but I wanted to applaud for you all. Yes, very good. So aren't you finding that your concepts are being revised, children? Yes. So thank you so much. So you deserve a big applaud. We have done all good questions, so you can revise. It was a short session so that we don't waste time. And children, yes, do you want a session early in the morning on universal indicators? Yes. Do you want? Yes. Okay, universal indicators we'll take after this 18th October exam is over. Yes, after this 18th October exam is over, we'll take it up. So you can revise. I have plenty of sessions, nearly 30-40 of sessions. If you go to Reenu VOS NSO, Vedantu Olympiad School NSO. Okay, lot many questions of अभिज्ञान बायो का हर क्वेश्चन है वहां पर. बायो सीरीज भी है. ओके, बायोलॉजी की सीरीज भी है. ऑल नाइट्रोजन साइकिल्स आर डिस्कस. 8th क्लास के जितनी इंपॉर्टेंट साइकिल्स हैं, दे हैव बीन डिस्कस्ड ओवर देयर. So once you search Reenu VOS का playlist and you will get all the sessions. Right. 6th grade का session is in the evening at 6:15. Yes. 6:15 पर there is a session. Right. Okay, Spurge. Thank you. Yes, Spurge, your chemistry teacher has changed now. Second phase she will be taking up. Thank you so much. Okay. Have all the best to all those who are appearing in the exam today. Yes, and share this important session with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Come on, all the best to you. Thank you.